What's up, guys? It's Ben back again, opening the 2012 TNA Reflections box. This is box number 1383 of 2400. I ordered 2 boxes of these, pre-ordered, and got those from UPS just a little bit ago. Checklist, and we're going to get right into it. Some tougher packs to open here. And got Jeff Hardy, Mark Haskins, Sarita, Gail Kim, Jesse Neal, and Jeff Hardy. The first pack. Nice looking cards. Hoping I'll get me a good set or so. Some tough packs to open here. Winner. Our first. Oh, sweet. Velvet Sky. Let's see. Can I? Yeah. Autograph and memorabilia. Really cool card. Our first hit. Really happy with that. Robbie E. Mr. Anderson. And Rosita. So really happy with that first hit there. And that is number 22 of 25 there. See if I can turn it where maybe you can see it. Really cool. That's a cool card. And these are some tough packs, man. God. Thank God I have teeth. Mr. Anderson lending a hand. Anarchia. Nate. D'Angelo De Niro. Rob Van Dam. Another Velvet Sky. Let's see, Garrett Bischoff, Jeff Jarrett, Kurt Angle, Bully Ray, Christy Hemme, Zima Ion. If I miss a parallel or something, this guy could be possible. Light's not the best down here. Christy Hemme lending a hand. Taz. And our next hit is Magnus. Autograph. I like what they're doing with him and Samoa Joe right now. Devon. Another Jeff Jarrett and Obvious. And let's see if the Magnus is number 46 of 99. So that's our second autograph. Velvet Sky, Hernandez, Jeff Hardy, Brooke Tessmacher, Matt Morgan, and Gail Kim. Big Papa Pump, Mr. Anderson, Magnus, Gail Kim, Gunner, and Dixie Carter. I was going to say I had Madison Rain on the front and the back. I didn't know what to think there for a second. Kurt Angle. Ooh, and my roof. Oh, man. Is that numbered? Yes, 14 of 40. Hulk Hogan Reflection. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Cool card. That was 14 of 40. AJ, Mickey James, and Madison Rain again. I'm going to try to speed up a bit here so that we don't go too long on this box. It's books, Gail Kim, Alex Shelley, Steen, Christy Hemme. And I'll go back through these, see if I missed anything later. I'd like to have one of those ones that have a piece of their ring. SoCal Val, Hulk Hogan, Samoa Joe, Doug Williams, Velvet Sky, and Sting. Karen Jarrett, Sting, Kid Cash, Hulk Hogan, Rob Terry, Scott Steiner. Jelena Love, Scott Steiner. Oh, right. For my dual autograph, I got Sarita and Rosita. So, and that is 69 of 99. So that's my third autograph. Not the best, but I'll take it. Crimson, Kazarian, Steiner, Tessmacher, Bobby Roode. So that's 4 card, 4 hits. Let's see, 3 autographs, 1 event used ring mat card or memorabilia card. So looks like I still got another hit or 2 to get here. Velvet Sky, Ric Flair, Byron Kendrick, Tessmacher, Bobby Roode, Karen Jarrett. Getting on down there. Really don't want to go too long with this video. Scott Steiner, Mike TNA, Crimson, Eric Young, Ric Flair. I guess I should still have a memorabilia card unless that autographed one was it. Jeff Jarrett. Ooh, wait, we got another autograph. Sting. I think it's, oh, wow. I got 4 autographs. It's ODB. So I guess the Velvet Sky was my memorabilia. And it was auto autographs, so sweet. And there's probably some kind of parallel or something I've missed. Velvet Sky, Eric Bischoff, Jeff Hardy, Jeremy Borash, Dixie Carter, Tracy Brooks. Pretty cool box so far. Christopher Daniels, ODB, Ric Flair, Tara, and James Storm. Jeff Jarrett, Shannon Moore. This is ODB. Something. 6 of 10. It's some kind of parallel. It's got the little gold thing on the bottom, and it's got the number 6 of 10 there. So, cool deal. So, 2 ODB hits in one box there. That was the ODB to box. Last pack, if I can get it open. And Austin Aries, Scott Steiner, and that one looks different for, yeah, 30 or 4. Mark Haskins is a parallel. It's number 30, 40. Tracy Brooks, Jesse Sorensen, and Steen. So yeah, guys, I got ODB auto, Velvet Sky auto / memorabilia, Sarita and Rosita, and Magnus. It's a really cool box. Got the Hulk Hogan, whoops, if I don't ding it, reflection, ODB parallel, and the Mark Haskins parallel. So that's my hits for the box. Thanks for watching, guys.